Play mean to me is spending time with the kids. Sunday, we'll bring her to playground, and sometimes at home, we'll do art and craft. The bonding will get closer towards parents, towards me and my child.
Play for me is me time for my kids, quality time for us, and a bonding session where we will create memories. I can see the growth of my child because on a day-to-day basis, I'm always at work. So the playtime are the only time where I can actually spend more time with them. What square there?
The PlayFULL Pack helped me to engage with my child, doing some animal sounds and also doing some art and craft with my child. She will differentiate the colors. She will imitate my words. I really have learned to recognize animal sounds, and also improve her vocab.
My son loves the animal figurines. My daughter loves the Rabbit Pool toy. But we as a family, we love playing the maple blocks. For those toys that was included inside the pack, which was meant for the older ages, it actually let my daughter to participate and be on the same par as the brother. The kids love this box.
Play is an essential part of every child's life. At KidSTART, we emphasize on the importance of play in a child's development. Children learn as they play. They develop many skills such as problem solving, thinking, social, and language.
At KidSTART, we encourage parents to prioritize quality playtime with their children so as to foster deeper and long-lasting bonds between the child and the parent. KidSTART practitioner advocates the power of play through play activities from our curriculum so as to turn everyday experience and interactions into meaningful explorations and learning opportunities for our children. Play is the work of children. When the child plays, the child learns.
Thank you, KidSTART and SP Group.
Thank you, KidSTART and SP Group.